Welcome back to my channel. This is your pretty girl Brown Sugar in the house, and today I'm going to show you a different way how to make this. This one is more easier, but depends on your choice, how you like it. Okay guys, so for this one we need some pins to hold the hair in place and also the wig cap. You need a closure, and I'm going to use 3 bundles today. And for this, guys, you need a glue gun. I need a side part, so I'm going to put the frontal to the side, and you want to pin it close as possible to the front. Like so. And you want to do it the same thing right around. Make sure your glue gun is hot, and then you're going to just glue it right around. Go ahead and glue right around. And there you have it, glued right around. So guys, we're gonna measure. I'm gonna take it from right about here. I'm gonna end it right here. Two more rows, and then I'm gonna go straight across. This is what left. after 2 packs. So I'm not gonna cut this one. I'm just gonna measure where I want it to go, just like so. You don't want your wig to fall apart now, guys. So far, I have one more pack to go. It is full. It is a waterway. I will leave the name of the seller in the description. Very cool and nice. Okay, guys. Let's continue. This is the name. If you want to check them out. I'm gonna put the last row and then I'm gonna close it. So one more row and then I'm gonna close it. So 2 rows all together. guys, you want to wait just a second for the beans to dry before you go ahead and apply. Guys, that's what left out of my 3 packs. Remember, you can go in with your waterproof eyeliner and just clean up any excess glue. And there it is. There it is, guys. Ooh, I love it. I'm loving it. Another one of my baby, guys. It's so soft and nice. There you have it, guys. So you want to get the hair out of the way. Something like so. Just like that. And you want to go and cut it off. I'm gonna put some concealer on it. However, if you want to bleach it, you can look up how to bleach the closure, and you can go ahead and bleach it. I'm just gonna make a good part, put some concealer. I'm gonna cut this part off, guys. Just be careful not to cut where you glue. So guys, after the inside gonna look somewhat like that. I'm just gonna put some concealer or foundation and I'm gonna try it on. Remember guys, you can put some clips, like one here and one to the back. I'm gonna try on my new wig. This is the end result. I add a little water to it because it's a water wave, so more water you add to it, more it gets the curl. So guys, there you have it, the final look. So guys, there you have it. You can go ahead and cut it if you want, but for now I'm gonna wear it like this. Maybe I might put some baby hair up here after, and I'm gonna add some clips to it too. So guys, this is it, the final look. You can wear it center part if you want, but I want to wear this one side for now. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Beautiful girl, Brown Sugar in the house. Peace out, one love, and be blessed. I have to put some dance in it, guys. Have a good day, guys.